How do you feel the first time you arrived in Aceh?
Well, that our history has been everything, and we know everything like that before. So there is nothing more than I need to know more than that.
So the spirit and the happiness of the Aceh is just like before, and that is what you want to know.
And do you have a special message for Aceh people, Abu Syed?
Well, we still have what we do, what we want to
So
do.
many things for the future of Aceh. And we hope that all the Acehnese
Saat disinggung mengenai pesan khusus kepada pemerintah Indonesia, ekspresi Hasan Tiro mendadak berubah. Hasan Tiro memberikan jawaban singkat, tegas, namun syarat makna.
Do you have a special message for Indonesia government, Abu Syed?
Well, they have a different story.